it is prohibited for a woman who is in the state of ihram to wear the niqab and the gloves. But it is part of the sunnah. Nabiha?
Inshallah, we'll be going to Hajj this year. So I have already seen your question on the website, but still I'm not clear to how to cover my face when I'll be going for Hajj, during Hajj.
Okay.
If we put like a headscarf from above, so it won't be so easy for me like to see the roads and all. So any particular thing I should cover?
Okay, first of all, it is prohibited for a woman who is in the state of ihram to wear the niqab and the gloves. But it is part of the sunnah, as well known among schools of thoughts and scholars, to cover the face, as the companions, female companions used to do. So covering the face means that you throw something on your face like this. This is covering the face. Now, you don't have to have 6 layers where you're totally blinded and you don't see your way. Have 2 layers of your khimar and you can see through that. No, Sheikh, I can't see through that. Have a thin layer that entitles you and allows you to see. Oh, Sheikh, I don't see that clearly. Don't drive. You don't have to drive the bus. We have allocated bus drivers to take you from point A to point B. This is a ritual. Is it inconvenient? Sometimes it is, especially for those who are not used to covering their faces. But if you believe that covering the face is mandatory according to the Qur'an and according to the authentic hadiths of the Prophet ﷺ, then you have to do that, despite the inconvenience, because you're worshipping Allah Azza wa Jal and you're doing something that pleases Allah the Almighty. But you must not cover your face with anything that has an opening for the eyes. It has to be a layer, 2, 3, 4, whatever, but without any openings.